Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing to Laravel 11 full course and this part 69, how to display blog post integrate Prismjs in Laravel 11. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this my project. This is a Gem folder already open. Localhost PSP myadmin. This is a already run localhost PSP myadmin. Inside this real estate underscore Laravel. This is a database name. Inside this list of table is available, and click this user table. This is a login credential is available, and this my Gem folder directory. Inside this htdoc directory, this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's open this command prompt, this project directory. Inside this cmd PSP artisan server and enter this PSP artisan server. Please copy this URL and hit this my browser. Successfully working. Let's slash admin dashboard. Not admin dashboard, no admin dashboard. Again this paste here, this URL placed admin login. Admin login is a implementation. Admin login successfully. This screen is available. Same here, copy and password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully show this admin dashboard. Good working. Let's click this blog. Inside this implementation action, inside this view blog, this view HTML format. Let's first of all this action resource view admin blog. Inside this list blade PSP successfully available. Let's action ts action save file and refresh this page. Successfully action is available. Let's inside this view blog post button. Let's view td inside this any, inside this body inside this color inside this list inside this available. Same here, copy and paste here, but inside this name sense view, and this value inside this id already passed in this blog. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's refresh this page. This is a view button is available. Good working. This is a view button edit. Let's eyes to refresh this page. Not working. Eyes is not working. Let's same here, copy this, not use, lost of remove. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a view button is available. Good working. Let's implement this class btn success. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully view button is available. Good working. Otherwise this class is available. This class in this is the item, and this btn success secondary. Save file and refresh this page, and this is not working, but this is a remove, otherwise not working. Save file and refresh this page. This is a view button is available. Good working. This view button, and this is a route is available. Admin block view. Save file and refresh this page and click this view. Inside this id is a 6 number id is available. This click this view, and this 6 number id is available. This is a good. This 6 number id is available. Let's copy this URL and route PSP file open. Route web.psp file open. Inside this available this blog. This blog is available. Let's route get and paste here and this id pass this id. Block copy this block control copy class and this block view save file. Successfully copy and block control open http block controller. This is the block controller is the available block controller. Public function paste here $id. This same id is a copy this id pass and this paste here. Return view admin blog dot view. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's copy this. Admin inside this blog is already available. Let's view file is not available. Let's new view file is a create. View file is a create blade.php. Successfully create view and hello. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully working this hello. Good working. And inside this HTML template is a set. Let's add file is open, add file and control A and this copy and close this inside this paste here. This remove and paste here. Successfully paste. This is a not use this submit button. This text editor is not used. Text editor is a remove and this all is a remove not use. Slug is a not use remove and this title is a remove and this action is a remove. Method is a post is a remove. Only set this is a blog view. Save copy and copy save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully working good. Let's insert this HTML tag is a implementation. Successfully set. Good working. Let's open this and this model is available. This model name is a click this blog model. This copy inside this blog model. This is available inside this 7 record is available. Blog model table inside this blog model. The same here copy and inside this already included. This is already included same copy and $get record $data get record is equal to paste here and find id $id find and this data is a pass copy and paste here data save file. Let's copy and inside this included. And first of all this title is a include $title. This title is a available this title same here copy and this is a id. Let's id is a implementation id. This id is the same here copy and paste here id and this not use remove. Let's next is a slug is a set this slug and this next is a description is a set $get record and this description. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully all record is a show. Please wait. Why the syntax error this gun refund get record. Let's open this $data same here copy and inside this my misunderstanding. This is a record. Save file and refresh this page. This spelling mistake. Successfully this is a available good working. Let's back button click this back button. Let's this record is a show. This record is a show view. Successfully fine good working. This is a view is a good. Let's last is a created and an updated date is a set. This created and an updated is a implementation. Let's same here copy and paste here this created date. this list file inside this already implement this created, same here copy and paste here created add, and this is a updated add, and this name already copy, the same here copy created, and this only simple only variable share sense, this is only simple this variable get record, not a value, and this copy, and this name is a implementation get record. Successfully date is a show. Let's view button, click this, inside this date is a successfully show. Good working. Let's click this back button, inside this is a HTML prime file is a implementation. Let's new record is a create new record, create, and this title is a submit this title, and this click this convert, inside this is a set and how to error done, and inside this code is a implement this code HTML code, and this HTML code is a implementation, same here is available less HTML code, this is a code, this PHP code is a copy, same here copy, and inside this paste, and this is a PHP code, this PHP code is available, and save file. Successfully this save file is a implementation. Let's submit. This is a not a good, this is a not good. Let's click this view inside this file is a not a available prime file, this is a not a very bad, this color is check, this is a very nice design, this is a not good design. Let's design inside this implement this file, this is a file Prismjs. Let's inside this available this file, inside this admin inside this dashboard, this is the admin folder, inside this dashboard folder is available. Let's new file is a implementation, inside this new file is a implementation code file. Please writing this file successfully implementation, this file is a please writing this prime means JS. Let's save file and refresh this page, save file, this file is a save, and refresh this page. Good working. Let's please refresh this page, and this is a format wise is a sense this different format, and this is successfully set, this is a Prismjs. Any issue, let's check this, please wait, this is a script file, remove, inside this JS file, save file, and refresh this page, this is a link is not available. Let's click this again, this back button, click this, inside this new record is a create, click this new record create, new record create, and this click this, and this converting, inside this hello work done, and inside this coding is implement this coding, inside this coding is implement HTML CSS, this is a CSS, this HTML CSS all file is a copy and paste here, and this submit, successfully submit and submit. Good working. This is a very highlight, this is a good, this is a PHP file is implement in next video. This is a let's remove, this file is a remove, this not used, let's remove and save file and refresh this page, and this is a not a active link, only disable all link. Let's click this view button, click this view, inside this disable link, this is a all disable link. Let's Ctrl Z, and in this remove this no lost of is remove and save file and refresh this page. Successfully all active copy link is available. Good working. This is a code link, this is a code file is available. Please writing this file, and this is a page is all writing step by step, and this is a controller. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is always a new project development, so please contact anytime. This is a lot of project available, please very low price and buy. This is my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon inside this follow all link. Thank you.